And action. I'm gonna stop up here at the Dixie Dandelion and see what they got in their drink. Done got thirsty as
Don't get my new shirt dirty, you bro. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that? Would you look at that?
That grease gun's on the back of my truck.
Oh yeah? This is quality entertainment.
I think you can do that.
That guy, he's hot.
He was shelling the corn right there.
He shelled it on down. Yep.
I think you can sing that. I think you can do it just like him.
I gotta be in the right mood to do that kind of stuff.
Socially lubricated like Rick,
No.
like Rick Bork.
I don't really lubricate too much anymore.
Oh, I'm glad to see that tractor move around on its own.
Yeah,
It's more than a circle.
I know the feeling. You don't remember not too long ago doing the
Yeah.
sort of the same. I'd rather fix yours again. Not that I want to fix it again.
No. Tell you something Chief Hall told me what happened just the other day up there to the Walmart.
Yeah.
There on 71 where you turn in to the Walmart.
Yeah.
Hey, was some old boys hauling scrap. Apparently scrap metal must be going up again.
Yeah.
Well, they pulled up in there and I'm going to get them some petro.
Yeah.
And they dumped off a 300 straight six in the middle of the intersection. And some little boy come along there and totaled his car on it. And while all the commotion was going on, they finished filling up with gas and they put it on out of there. Nobody seemed to leave. They're still at large.
Knowing that straight six is still running.
I think it was running when it hit the ground.
Probably so.
You know, them things will wear out so bad and still be running that the pistons will swap holes.
Yeah.
And to fill it up with oil and check the gas.
Yep. Box Chevy.
You got the box or the bubble?
Not the box. Inside peanut butter, outside jelly. 7 days of the week, 7 different Chevys. I'm gangster.
I can tell.
Yep.
Extremely gangster.
I mean, I could have had a Bentley, but I'd rather ride Chevy.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop and get me one of them knee-high belly washers.
Okay.
I'm gonna put her right there on the side of the street.
Like everybody else has done that too. Might be a spot up there you can get in. Look at there. Look at there.
I believe we can go right on in the parking lot.
Look at there. See? That's what you get for being my friend.
I love it. Would you care for something to drink?
Yeah. Cool.
Go ahead and sing it again. I know you want to. Go ahead. Go ahead.
My wife has got to be super proud to be married to this.
She's super something, all right.
I know it. She probably sits at home and goes, "Thank you, Lord, for the blessing you have given me in Matt." I know she does. She has
I'm
to.
sure that she does.
I know she does.
I know that she's in prayer several times a day because of you.
Thank you, Jesus, for Matt.
But I'm not so sure that this that particular prayer.
Oh, yeah. That's it.
No.
Yeah.
It's probably real similar to the one Miss Ashley probably says.
What'd she say?
I'm guessing it's probably not good much of the time. I'm what they call a challenge.
Please, Lord, let a tree fall on his head. He has life insurance.
She'll cash out pretty good.
Yeah, I'm worth more dead than I'm alive, so.
Blame her.
I think she loves me pretty good, though. She lets me sleep inside.
You don't have to stay in there with Dash, do you? You should have seen Si and your wife this morning when I swung by there picking stuff up. We were talking to her at the back door. And Dash kind of looked up there at me. And I was like, oh, hey, son. And Si got tickled. He thought it was funny. And I looked at your bride, and she just rolled her eyes like, dear God, there's two of them.
Yeah, there pretty much is. Yep.
Sometimes it's good.
I know because it was.
Doggone. How'd you smuggle these out of the house?
I bought them and didn't tell her.
Well, now that she's editing videos, she's going to see this.
Yeah, I know. She knows how I am, though. I called her the other day when I mowed my eyebrows off bald. They used to be bald. I got one side the trimmer went, I was like, yeah, I got to make both sides match, and I just shave that one off too. I called her the other day at work. I said, I did something bad. She was like, well, what? She ain't worried about me saying, like, I did something really stupid, like not be faithful to the wife, which I would never do. She was like,
we married up, we're aware.
She was like, what'd you tear up, or what'd you cut off, or what's not working on your body anymore, like a finger that's bent backwards or something. She wasn't worried about it. I was like, I shaved my eyebrows off on accident. She started laughing. I didn't get any sympathy. She's like, send me a picture. So I did. She called me laughing. She couldn't hardly breathe. She likes it when I sing the Golden Girls to her too.
I bet she does.
Yes.
Can you break it down like Homeboy did?
Can I?
Do it.
I can't do it right now. It's got to come from down here. You don't know, Andy. I'm musical. It's got to be in you, and then when it decides to come out, it'll come out.
A man thinketh, therefore he received.
Yeah.
Something like that.
Yeah.
You'll swing in by my pick 'em up truck, and I'll grab my funnel.
Alright.
We'll go pour some of this $10 a gallon oil in there. I'll tell you one fluid, I don't know if there's and maybe somebody out there in YouTube land can tell us that fluid for Kubota hydrostats.
Yep.
I wonder if there's an aftermarket for that, because I know if you put the yellow bucket in there, it'll grind her to a halt.
I don't know.
I've seen that happen before. Wasn't me.
I don't know.
Stopped in at the old Kubota dealership there in Mariana. They had a big one split in half. You don't see that very often. I don't even know why they call it high guard, and I'll just say high price.
Yeah. I mean, John Deere, they built some really good stuff. Their older stuff was excellent. But, the parts are out of hand.
Yep. You remember that little 4300 tractor I had? It was basically
a Yanmar.
Yeah, it was a souped up lawnmower. It wasn't even as good as a Yanmar.
You gonna bring your tractor home today?
Yeah.
You gonna shove that up?
Mm-hmm. No, I figured I'd drive over the top of it.
Thank you for not being my friend.
You got anything else dumb you want to ask me?
It'll happen. Just give me time. Yes. Get it fun. He's crazy. It's there somewhere. I get the truck and stomp the floorboard and Get another truck and look for an automatic shifter.
You're all messed up. We knew that though.
Yeah.
There it went. There it is. Hey, don't dust out Ronnie.
I'm gonna actually drop me off and see if he needs a hand with anything.
Okay.
And I'll walk down there if that's okay.
Yep.
Let's go?
Yep.
You sure?
Yes.